You're never gonna break me. Sticks and stones are never gonna shake me. No. Take me away, a secret place, a sweet escape. Take me away to better days. I've been awake for a while now. You got me feeling like a child now. 'Cause every time I see your bubbly face, I get the tingles in a silly place. It starts in my toes and I crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time wherever you go. Sparks fly, it's like electricity. I might die when I forget how to breathe. You get closer and there's nowhere in this world I'd rather be. Time stops, like everything around me is frozen, and nothing matters but these few moments when I'd march with decorated soldiers to get your pretty eyes to see. Well, I would bring your morning coffee, then I'd wrap you up in me. I'd kiss your belly and your shoulders, cover blankets on our feet.
Let's start off with on how shit happen. I look in this picture. This is my 15 picture. And please, no hate. I'm just a kid. I'm over here just trying to help you out. I think I've been doing my makeup long enough. And I think I do it pretty okay. Like, not even okay. Like, I think I look good whenever I do my makeup. So, yep. I'm over here just trying to help. So, please don't be mean. And make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell button and share with your friends and family so they can learn a tip or two. Plus, I can tell when something looks good or bad.